It's exciting, it's energetic, it's dynamic. Queensland was really, really easy to explore. If you base yourself in Brisbane, everything is on your doorstep. An hour south, you're touching the Gold Coast. North, and you've got all the islands. So we flew out over the Great Barrier Reef, jaw-droppingly beautiful. And then when you land, we've got wonderful marine life, which is amazing. And our west, and you've got the hills, the wineries, and all the wildlife. To the east, North Stradbroke Island, you have a local Indigenous guide who explains to you the culture and the history. Everything has a place. You can go to that nice restaurant, you can be on the beach, you can be in a forest. It will exceed your expectations. The journey to your destination is hugely important. It's smooth, comfortable, and yeah, I got all that with Singapore Airlines. The food was incredible, best food I've ever had on any plane ever. Nothing was too much trouble, and always with a smile.